This section here is called course creation. So these are our courses. So as you can see, I'm maneuvering from this top bar here. I'm going to select courses. I'm going to go down and look at my teams and see how we can section these out. I'm going to go ahead and select showcase. We have our spaces here that are on the left side. We have active courses and finished courses. And you can see here that when I have this section selected, you can see all courses. If I just select on, let's say, effects on technology on learning, or effects of technology on learning, you can see I have 3/5 way through this course. I'm on lesson number 4. It starts on September 27th at 11. The duration is 45 minutes. The teachers are these people, the students are these people. So we can go ahead and view this course. So this is fantastic because it starts us on the current course, but let's check out our first course. These are areas that we've uploaded as live docs, and then we went ahead and submitted all of this. So we have the effects of technology on learning. As we're giving this course, we have the option to have homework. We have lesson 2 here. You can make annotations as you're going through the lesson. You can see we have all of our lessons pre-planned. So let's say we're on lesson number 3 right now. We can add more documents to this lesson, and I know at the moment some of these are not enabled or some of these features are not supported as of yet, but we will be able to have this in the future. So at the moment we can select from our current drives, or we can select from My Files, which is actually located in Cloud. So I'm going to go ahead and close. And this is the same thing. We can show the different files that are uploaded. So if I had uploaded more documents, and the one thing about Cloud that you can do is you have multiple areas to do the same thing. So I can add files here, I can upload files here, I can see what I already have uploaded and delete that. And if you see this little eye here, you can tell, or you can see and monitor who's been viewing your document, for how long they've been viewing it, and you can see and interact with the students and actually track their progress just by seeing how long they keep the document open. We can record the syncs on each of the lessons, so it is all encapsulated within this lesson or this live document. We have the chat feature, so you can be interactive with your students. And then here we have properties of the document, the toolbar. We can start now, share to the web users, share to the phone users, and once again, some of these may not be supported at the moment, but they will be. I'm going to close out of this. So we can start a lesson as well. We were just viewing this lesson, so a lot of times you want to be able to actually see your lesson, make changes on the course, but I'm going to go ahead and start this lesson. So your students would join, you would be able to see members or students that were invited. You can send out invitation links. Let's see, this right here goes full screen. You can make annotations as you're teaching. And here is a bug. We should have the arrows right here to maneuver this document back and forth. So since we don't have that, I'm just going to bypass that at the moment and maneuver through the thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. I'm going to press OK. So let's go ahead and set up a course. I'm going to schedule course, and we have the option to do one-on-one, one-to-many, and classroom course. And the great thing of it is if you know how to do classroom course, these two become easy. So let's go ahead and do classroom course. So let's give the title of our course, Test Course. I'm going to make it public, but once again, you can have this public, private, or protected. I'm going to go ahead and select some course teachers, so we'll make Tyrion our teacher. We can invite a speaker. Let's say we're going to have a guest speaker, Carla, come in. We're going to invite her now. We're going to go to course students, select Jessica and Michael, Miranda. And now let's set up this reoccurring course. So let's say our start time is going to be on the 25th, and we're going to run this course for 4 weeks. So I'll select the 26th. We're going to do 2 lessons per week, and each lesson is going to be 45 minutes long, but of course you can pick how long that is. We're going to have 1 lesson on Monday. We're going to have 1 lesson on Thursday, and they're both going to be at 8 o'clock in the morning. We're going to select OK. And as you can see, you have your time or your course time, but you have the option to plan your course here, or you can press save or submit and plan it from the live document view. So let's go ahead and add some homework to this. So I want my homework to be on the assigned date of lesson 1, and it's going to be due on lesson 2. I can input my notes on what the students need to know. I'm going to press OK, and now you can see that we have homework established. You can go ahead and open this up here. So please save data first, then start meeting. So we're going to press OK. Actually, this is a nice feature as well. The lesson calendar allows you to see your lesson in the calendar view, but I'm going to go back to list view. And you can add homework for all of this. So I'm going to press submit. So now we have the test course. I'm going to go ahead and view and start uploading documents. So I'm going to select document, add to space, select from my files. Let's go ahead and select from my files. So let's select one of these. I'm going to press OK. And you can plan your lessons for the whole duration. 2 weeks for 2 lessons for 4 weeks is all listed out. So you're all pre-planned and ready to go. And as you can see, this is an MP4. So let's go ahead and select this guy here. And we may have a little bug there. Let's see if we can play it from here. So active is the course, files, and then members are our students. So that is our course creation. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. And you will see the progress as we progress through those courses and those